This video will explain how to start SmartLog Desktop and the setting to work process. SmartLog is using an HTML-based user interface and require a web browser for display. It is strongly recommended to use Google Chrome, which will get you best results. In case you experience technical issues when using a different browser, please install Google Chrome first and check before contacting our technical support. After successful installation, you should have a SmartLog shortcut on the desktop of your PC. You can start the application by simply clicking on the shortcut. Alternatively, you can open the Windows menu and scroll down to the FOSS Onboard Software Kit folder and click on the SmartLog Desktop icon. SmartLog is starting with a brief introduction of the functionality, an orientation about the screen layout, and how to input data. All these functions will be covered separately in this training. SmartLog offers an initialization guide for setup. In case backup data are available, you can restore these from your hard drive. Otherwise, you can skip this page and continue with a step-by-step guide for a completely new installed system. First, you have to decide on the amount of input data. You can choose between minimum, medium, or maximum content. Minimum content is the typical setting for compliance with the EU Emission Trading System (EU ETS) and the EU Monitoring, Reporting and Verification (EU MRV) regulation, as well as the IMO Data Collection System (IMO DCS). Medium content is required for the FOSS emissions module and most performance modules in the FOSS dashboard. And maximum content is a setting depending on corporate requirements of your shipping company. Charter party needs to be activated in case the vessel is under charter, otherwise, certain required reports are disabled in the program. For initialization, it is recommended to have the ship particulars at hand. In this training course, a container ship is used as example. The available input fields differ depending on the vessel type. In case SmartLog is connected to other FOSS equipment, for example a Navisailor EGDIS, it is possible to use the Prefill function and read out available information. If not, initialization needs to be completed manually. Input starts with the ship master data. Click into the data fields to input the requested information. The first dataset are the vessel identifiers. Don't forget to save your data frequently, otherwise you risk losing them. The next entry sections are fleet operations and hull. Mandatory input fields are highlighted by a magenta frame and a magenta underline. Please fill in now particulars for cargo capacity, main engine and auxiliary equipment, and don't forget to save your data. When all mandatory data are filled in correctly, the shipmaster data are ready for sending to the FOSS cloud. The Send button in the upper right corner should be highlighted now. After sending all data sequences to the cloud, green check marks indicate a successful transmission. Important! Depending on the policy of the managing company, further editing of the shipmaster data might be disabled. Any changes may have an impact on data quality and should be coordinated with the vessel manager. In the next video, you will learn how to fill out the initial ROB report and hull maintenance report.